ever wished project management reports could just write themselves? As a project manager, you plan the project, follow up the progress, review the decisions, and send updates all the time. Moreover, you spend extra time turning all those information into reports. But what if you can automate this part? In this video, I'll show you how to take any information, plain text, meeting minutes, email, task list, table of numbers, anything, and give it to ChatGPT, and make ChatGPT turn it into a professional report without you having to write anything or format anything. To do this, we'll use something called one-shot prompt. You give ChatGPT plain text, the input data you want ChatGPT to organize. Then you give ChatGPT an example. The example should contain how your final result will look like, typically your report's template. And ChatGPT will fill the template with the data you provided. And this works for everything: meeting minutes, project updates, risk logs, annual reports, everything. Give ChatGPT the information you want to organize and an example of how the output data will be, and it will do it in seconds. It's easy, it's fast, and it will save you a lot of time so you can focus on managing the project, not filling paperwork. So, what's zero shot, one shot, and few shot prompts? Let's dive in. In zero-shot learning, the AI model is given a task without any prior examples. The model must rely on its pre-existing knowledge and understanding of the task based on the prompt provided. Zero-shot prompts include basic questions like: what is a zero-shot prompt? You use zero-shot prompt if you want to explore a subject and not sure what results you want. This is useful when you have no prior knowledge about the subject and you want to learn more in order to refine your next prompts. Zero-shot prompts can range from very simple prompts like what's the capital of Sweden? It also includes summarize prompt. Summarize the key innovations in quantum computing from the past decade. You can also copy an article or a text and ask AI to summarize it. Zero-shot prompt include translation. You can translate any text from any language to any language using ChatGPT. Zero-shot prompt include classification command too. Let's take an example. Summarize AI tools available in the market. Classify AI tools based on personal use and business use. translate this text to Swedish. In one shot, the AI model is given the task along with one example of the desired output. This example helps the model better understand the format or style it should follow. Example: which farm animals lays egg? Example: a cow gives milk. Now, ChatGPT will list a list of all animals that lays eggs, and the list will be very simple and short because it follows our example. If we don't give ChatGPT this example, it might write a plain text, an article, a long list about all animals in the farm that lays eggs. But because we gave the example, ChatGPT will stick to the format that we give. This is the output of our prompt. Another usage of one-shot prompts is when we have written an email to someone, then we want to write another email to another one, but we want other information to present. I'll give an example. Write a professional email to Sam Smith declining an invitation to speak at the annual innovation conference due to scheduling conflict. Now we want to write an email to Sam Smith, but we have already written an email to John. I'm honored to receive your invitation to your wedding. Unfortunately, I have a prior engagement on that date and regretfully can't attend. So we have a personal email to John to decline John's invitation to his wedding, unfortunately. And we want a similar email to be sent to Sam Smith. So we give ChatGPT our first email and ask it to generate a second email. ChatGPT response is: Dear Sam, thank you very much for your kind invitation to speak at the annual innovation conference on September 13. I'm truly honored by the opportunity. Unfortunately, I have a prior engagement in that date and I will regretfully be unable to attend. I appreciate your understanding and hope the conference is a great success. Thank you once again for considering me. I look forward to the possibility of collaborating in the future. One-shot prompts is useful for business. Example, you have several templates like for meeting minutes, emails, reports. You give information to AI and ask AI to generate the output in a certain format. Example: we were in a training and we wrote several notes on that training, like training overview, key topics covered, follow-up actions for participants. And we want to rewrite the notes that we took from the training as a meeting minutes. We have a meeting minute template and we will ask ChatGPT to rewrite our notes to match the template we have. Please rewrite these notes using this example. And we give our template to ChatGPT. So as you see, our previous results was training overview, key topics, and follow-up actions. ChatGPT changed that into meeting type, goal, agenda, and next steps. This will save us a lot of time in business and increase productivity. Few-shot prompts. Few-shot learning involves giving the model multiple examples of the task at hand. By providing more context, the model can better learn the pattern and produce a response that fits the provided example. A simple example for this is, what's the opposites? Example, the opposite of warm is cold, the opposite of day is light. This is useful when we have complex data and we want to change it into reports. We give AI a set of examples and AI will apply a similar logic to its task. Example, we have this report about few departments in a company. Write a data analysis report summary for different departments. Use these examples. Example 1. The marketing department saw a 20% increase in annual profit. Example 2. The sales department reported a 10% increase in annual profit. Use this data, then we paste our report. ChatGPT now will generate a text divided into departments and explain the results of each department. So our table turned from numbers into a plain text that everyone can read. We can put this text in an email and send it to all employees or in annual reports and so on. We have an article about artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the marketing landscape. We will make ChatGPT generate several different responses about the same article. Zero-shot prompt. Summarize the following article. One-shot prompt. Summarize the following article using performance metrics similar to this example. AI reduces healthcare cost by 10%. Now summarize this article. You can notice the difference between the two responses. In the first response, ChatGPT generated a plain text summarizing all content of the article. While in the second response, ChatGPT summarizes the article as a list following the example we gave. Few-shot prompt. Summarize this article using key metrics based on these examples. Example 1. AI reduces delivery time by 10%. Example 2. AI improves customer service by 20%. Now summarize this article. Now the list became shorter because we strictly defined what AI should produce by giving 2 examples instead of 1. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my upcoming AI tutorials. And if you are looking to learn AI or need AI integration services for your business, visit my website www.aiportalen.com to explore my courses and services. See you in the next video.